Yeah. Hi everyone, I'm Santosh Reddy. Today I'm going to present company review session on S Bank. Why S Bank? Because in recent times S Bank ran into a crisis. And what factors affecting S Bank? Why the bank goes very wrong in recent times? What happened? To know all these reasons, I took S Bank as my presentation. About the company. Name of the company is Youth Enterprise Scheme. It is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, in India. It is listed in BSE as well as in NSE. And the chairman of this company is Sunil Mehta, and MD and CEO is Prashant Kumar. It is a public type company. The industry is banking and financial services. The bank was founded in 2004 by Rana Kapoor and Ashok Kapoor. It headquarters located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Presently, the S Bank is owned by State Bank of India. Recently, they took a 49% of stake from S Bank. The vision, coming to vision and mission and brand ethos. The vision of the company, building the finest quality large bank of the world in India. The mission is to establish a high quality customer centric service driven private Indian bank centering to the future business of India. The brand ethos is to be the professionals bank of India. And the board of directors. Sunil Mehta is non-executive chairman, and Mr. Mahesh Krishnamurthy is non-executive director. Mr. Atul Beda, non-executive director. Mr. Prashant Kumar, MD and CEO. Mr. Gandhi, additional director appointed by RBI, and Mr. Swaminathan, nominee director by SBI. Okay. Coming to its products, S Bank is providing banking products, investment banking solutions, recurring deposits, syndicate loans, debt capital markets, digital banking, and surplus and investment. In banking products, S Bank is currently providing a salary account, digital salary account, credit cards, bike loans, car loans, home loans, and etc. And coming to recurring deposit, is a term deposit is fixed for every month is called a recurring deposit. We in every month we will get an interest added to all our capital. Yeah, coming to syndicate loans is some group of merchant banks is lending a particular company is called syndicate loans. Debt capital markets. In debt capital market, is a market in which companies and government raise the funds through bonds is called debt capital markets. Digital banking. Edge banking is providing a digital banking services through S app. And coming to surplus and investment. Surplus and investment is the company is investing the surpluses in other section is called surplus and investment. Coming to next slide. Uh, Next slide. Competitors. The major competitors for S Bank is HDFC Bank, SBI, ICICI, Axis Bank. Yes Bank is the fourth largest private sector bank in India. HDFC is the leading number one private bank in India. ICICI is the second leading in private sector bank in India. SBI is a government sector bank, which is a number one in all sector banks in India. Uh, Coming to awards and recognitions, S Bank has won the Indian Retail Award 2019 by Kantar IMRB. IMRB is Indian Market Research Bureau, and uh, S Bank ranked 1013 in Forbes Global 2000 companies in 2018, and Product Innovation of the Year 2018 by International Finance Corporation, and Global Finance Award 2018 for the Best Debt Bank in Asia Pacific, and ranked 217 in 2017 in Banker 1000 list from London, and the strongest bank in India 2012, 2013, 2015, 2016 awards by Asian Banker Awards, and the Golden Peacock Innovative Product or Service Award in 2017 by Peacock Innovative Awards. Next slide will be our SWOT analysis. And this strength of the Yes Bank is it's using its capital to generate profit, and a return on capital employed is improved in last 2 years. It is the main strength of S Bank in recent times. And coming to S Bank weaknesses, S Bank has a poor cash generated from core business, declining cash flow from operations for last 2 years, and a degrowth in revenue and profit, and companies with high debt, and companies with increasing debt, and his bank having the low Piotrowski score. Piotrowski score is a 9 discrete score, and 0 to 9. It shows the company's financial strength, and this company has low Piotrowski score. It is a main weakness of this company, and annual net profit, and uh, annual net profit declining for last 2 years, and in this March 2020, the company has gone into minus 16,432 crores. It is a main weakness of this company in recent time. Coming to opportunities, S Bank has highest recovery from a 52 low, and decrease in NPA, non-performing assets in recent times. It cleared it debt, and decreasing provision in recent result. And threats are companies where substantial shares pledged by insider involved by lenders. That means uh, coming to its financials, and profit and loss account of S Bank in past 5 years, and the total operating expenses are increasing year by year. In 2000 March 2018, it drastically cut down their total operating expenses, but in last 2 years it again raised so much, and total expenditures also uh, very high in this year. And coming to net profit loss for the year 2020 is minus 16,432 crores. That means the S Bank has gone into huge loss because of non-performing assets, because S Bank has given a bad debts to some corporate companies. That is the reason why it goes into a very difficult situation. And the total profit loss available for appropriations in March 2020 is minus 5,689.81 crores of rupees. The next slide will be non-performing assets. The gross non-performing assets in March 2020 is 32,877,000 crores, which shows the company has having the lot of non-performing assets, which shows the financial weakness of the bank, and which is almost 6 times higher than the past year. And the net non-performing assets is 8,623 crores, uh, which is doubled comparatively to the last year. The next slide will be the next slide is a performance of S Bank share price in last 5 years. Here we can uh, see from June 2016 to January 2000, sorry, March 2020. In this 5 years chart, in 18 September, the graph has touches the upper circuit of the S Bank share, that is 384 rupees, and then after 2018, it's, it's drastically having a downfall. Now the share price in March 2020 is around 12. Now it is the 14 of S Bank share price, which shows the bank poor performance. Uh, Coming to CSR activities, the S Bank done the CSR activities like green good deeds, livelihood and water, say yes to sustainable MSMCs in India, and ACE Foundation. Coming to green good deeds is climate awareness workshops, tree plantations, and book distributions, and some functions like conservation drives, uh, livelihood and water. 13 million plus lives proved access to safe and clean drinking water, and 84 water purification systems set up at D and E category railway stations, and 150 plus community water purification systems uh, deployed, and 1000 plus household water purification systems are installed in 2015-16, and 2014-15, 17,500 plus beneficiaries provided access to safe and clean drinking water through community water systems, and 9,000 plus water purification systems installed, benefiting 45,000 plus people. The next slide is the what happened in S Bank. Okay. What happened in S Bank is the S Bank is approved many bad debts. It gives many loans to the defaulter corporate companies. Uh, that's why the company has goes into a very bad situation. Even though the companies are not capable to repay the amount, then again the S Bank has approved the loans for that company, taking the risk of stakeholders fund. This is the main reason why the S Bank has run into crisis. These are mainly occurred in after 2015. After 2015, this bank has given many syndicate loans to the many corporate companies under a commission based. This is also a main reason why his bank has goes into very bad situation. H bank having a lot of non-performing assets. Uh, yeah. Key observation and learnings of S Bank and the observations. The S Bank is incorporated in 2003 by Rana Kapoor and Ashok Kapoor, and it offers a wide range of banking and financial products and services since inception, and very rapid growth in the market. in 2008, around 2008, it rapidly grown into a fourth largest private sector bank in India, and given a high rate of interest for savings deposits also to uh, the bank has given high rates of interest for savings deposits to grow their customers. And from inception, it started many offers to attract the customers, like I already said, a high rate of interest for savings deposits, like. And in 2008 Mumbai attacks, one of the co-founder Ashok Kapoor was killed in a terrorist attack in 2008. That is the biggest thing happened in S Bank in 2008. Then from 2008, only Rana Kapoor will take over the will take care of his bank, and he gives many bad debts to a lot of corporate companies. And in recent times, the RBI suspended Rana Kapoor for 3 years from his CEO. Thank you everyone for giving this opportunity to learn new things. Thank you.